Here the next topic is difference between economic and non-economic activities. So different points of differences are there for both the activities. First here is motive. The main motive of economic activities are earning money and creation of wealth, whereas the main motive for non-economic activities is social or psychological satisfaction. Second point here is expectation. Money income is expected from these economic activities, whereas psychological satisfaction is expected from by undertaking non-economic activities. What it means? Money income is not at all expected by undertaking non-economic activities. Third, purpose. The purpose of these activities, economic activities, is creation of wealth. पैसा बढ़ाना मेन उद्देश्य है, संपत्ति बढ़ाना मेन उद्देश्य है इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ का. बट द पर्पज़ ऑफ नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ इज़ सोशल और साइकोलॉजिकल सेटिस्फैक्शन. फोर्थ पॉइंट ऑफ डिफरेंस here is outcome and result. Outcome here means end result. The outcome of economic activity is production of goods or services, whereas the outcome of non-economic activities is mental or psychological satisfaction of a person who is undertaking these activities. Example, fifth point, example. The examples of non-economic activities may be business, profession and employment, which we had already discussed in detail. Then the example of non-economic activities is family-oriented activities like cooking food, teaching kids, religious activities, social services and patriotic activities. These are the example of non-economic activities. So this flowchart is showing the detail about the human activities we had already discussed. We had completed the topic about human activities, which are of two types, economic activities and non-economic activities. Further, economic activities are segregated into three parts. First, business, profession and employment. Second, non-economic activities may be religious activities, parental activities and social activities. So this chart shows the detail about the human activities.